Now, whenever we think about the disaster recovery planning, so we know that it's our core domain of our on-prem data center and for cloud infrastructure as well. So in this regard, again, Linux is completely failed. Why? Because whenever I'm talking about the on-prem integration with any cloud vendor, so I need a very mature and scalable kind of application. And unfortunately, when I think about the open source solutions, so I don't see any kind of mature products on the platform of Linux or any other open source application. So again, if you are going to design a scalable orchestrated environment regarding the disaster recovery, so you need to go with the Microsoft solutions, because Microsoft provides you all kinds of application which can easily integrate your on-prem infrastructure with your cloud infrastructure as well. You can easily replicate your virtual machines, your SQL DB instances, your web servers, your user data with the help of Azure Site Recovery tool on the platform of Microsoft Azure. That is the really important thing which you must know about the Microsoft whenever you are joining the industry, whenever you are dealing with the enterprise level projects. The second important thing is that Microsoft not only provide applications regarding on-prem integration with the cloud, but whenever you have multi-cloud environment, let's suppose that you are dealing with the Amazon, Google Cloud, Azure, GoDaddy, and you want to integrate all these 4 cloud vendors and you need to manage from a single window. So in this regard, again, Microsoft provide a tremendous kind of solution which is known as Azure Arc. So if we think about the multi-cloud integration, if we talk about the on-prem infrastructure with the cloud integration, or we want to create any kind of hybrid solutions, again, you must have to be very clear that don't go with the open source solutions, because Microsoft have more capable and more feature oriented applications, tools and solutions available.